Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dimma Inemchukwu, a food and lifestyle blogger based in Abuja, Nigeria. In today's episode, I'm going to show you guys how I made this delicious OHA soup or ORA soup, anyone you call it. This is one of my favorite soup, and I know that we have a lot of OHA soup lovers. Even if you've not had this soup before, after watching this video, you'll be tempted to have a taste of it. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bell and also subscribe if you've not. Let's get into the main deal. For the ingredients, I'll be using palm nuts, which I will use to get banga juice for the OHA soup base. This is my cocoyam or ede. I'll be using this as my thickener. This is my fresh OHA leaf. I will also be using uziza leaf. Some scotch bonnet pepper. In here I have my Ogiri Igbo. What is OHA soup without Ogiri Igbo? Then seasoning cubes and salt. This is my seasoning mix. I'll be using beef as my protein. You can use any protein of your choice. This is my crayfish. In here I have my boroko, that is stockfish and dry fish. I already washed my cocoyam and my palm nut properly. I'll be cooking both of them together. If you like, you can cook separately, but both has almost the same cooking time, so I'll cook this until it gets soft. I'll be soaking my stockfish and dry fish for at least 5 minutes to help remove those tiny ants that always live inside them. Let's get started already. In a neat pot, you like to introduce your protein, your dry fish, your stockfish. So I'm going to season it up with salt, seasoning cubes, my seasoning mix, blended scotch bonnet pepper and crayfish. Our mothers don't like using seasoning cubes and seasoning mix, but I want my protein to be very spicy. They believe that Ogiri Igbo is enough for them, but I want mine spicy. I'll add all this, then give it a quick stir so that all the ingredients will incorporate well in my protein. Add a little water, stir it again, and cover it up to cook for about 20 minutes. I will be dropping all the recipes I'll use for this yummy ORA soup on my description box. Please do well to check on the description box in case you are confused about anything. Let's check on our palm nuts and cocoyam. At this point it was already very soft, so I'm going to sieve it out and separate it. It's time to pound my cocoyam. I'll start by peeling off the back. I just need the white content inside. So if you have a food processor, that's fine. You can use it to process your cocoyam. If you also don't want to go through this process, you can use cocoyam powder as your thickener. But I feel this is the best because it will give you that natural taste. Let me know on the comment section which one you prefer using, cocoyam powder or the main cocoyam you like going through this process as an Igbo lady. Once I'm done peeling the cocoyam, I'll start pounding. I have to keep pounding until I find out that there is no lump, that is any seed in the cocoyam anymore. This is what it looks like after pounding. So I'm going to keep this aside. I quickly washed up my mortar to process my palm nuts. This is where we will get our banga juice, which we will use as the OHA soup base. This also have an alternative. If you don't want to go through this process, you use palm oil, but make sure you are using a very nice palm oil so that it won't spoil your soup. It's time to separate the chaff from the banga juice. So in the mortar, I'll add a little hot water. You have to be very careful. You can mix it with cold water so it won't be very hot. I'll rub it with my hands, I'll massage it with my hands, then sieve it out to separate the chaff. This is what I'll keep doing until I make sure the chaff completely separates from the juice. This is me taking my time to prepare this food properly as the correct Igbo woman that I am. Please, if you've watched to this moment, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and also subscribe if you've not. This is exactly the same process for making correct bitter leaf soup. This is what the banga juice look like. So I'll go ahead and put it on fire so that the water will reduce and also that raw banga scent won't be there. Let's check on our protein. So at this point, our protein is already soft. So I'm going to put this aside. The water in the banga juice have drastically reduced. So I'll start adding up other things. I'll start by adding my cocoyam. I'll cut it into smaller molds for it to be able to dissolve faster. I'm using cocoyam paste as my thickener. Remember, you can use OHA, achi or cocoyam flour as your thickener also. But cocoyam paste is mostly used for this soup. It is time to add my Ogiri Igbo. This is a game changer. Once you add it, hey, the taste, it's awesome. This is a must use in bitter leaf soup or OHA soup. So to that, I'll be adding my pepper mix. That's my blended pepper and crayfish. Give it a quick stir. At this point, you find out that the cocoyam paste has successfully dissolved. But if not dissolved, you can use your spoon to rub it against the pot. If you've watched to this moment, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you've not, and also help me share out this video. Turn on your post notification bell so that anytime I post a video, you get a notification. So it's time to add my meat stock and my meat. I wanted to pour it in, but it was splashing all over the place. So I'm going to go ahead and scoop it gradually into my soup. Once I'm done adding my protein to the soup, I'll give it a quick stir and taste if I have the right quantity of salt. If not, I'll add up. So this is me adding up with my seasoning cubes and a little salt. Guys, look at this soup. It's looking all inviting already. Even if you don't like swallow, this soup, you will like it. It's must. So I'll just give it a quick stir and cover it up to cook for about 5 minutes. So it's 5 minutes already. Let's check on our soup. Look at how it's cooking. It's cooking so well. So it's time to introduce our OHA, the oga bata bata. This is the main leaf for this soup. So once I introduce my OHA, I give it a quick stir for the heat from the soup to touch it a little, maybe for like 2 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and add another game changer, that is uziza leaf. Uziza leaf has this unique taste that it gives to every soup. Guys, look at that soup. Look at the OHA soup, so delicious and inviting. Just prepare this soup for your in-laws and you'll see them coming to visit you every time. Guys, our OHA soup is ready. You can serve this with any Nigerian swallow, eba, fufu, semo, or what have you. If you love OHA soup like I do, please put it down on the comment section. Look at this soup, so yummy. Please, if you've not liked this video, do well to like it, do well to share and subscribe if you've not. For me, this goes down well with fufu. Let me go and enjoy my ORA soup. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in my next video. Bye.